Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you're new, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. I am 29. I never work in any company. I help my father in farming and bad situation in farming these days. Can I get a job in IT field at 30? I've done engineering in 11 years. See, Alex, one thing you have to understand. One thing everybody has to understand is that software computer science is a field which attracts a lot of engineers. Okay, attracts a lot of students. Okay, there was a report in 2018 or something from the government of India, and that report said that almost 25 to 30 lakh students opt for technical field, that is BE, BTech, MCA, MSc computer science, this field, technology field. Okay, not talking about the other engineering fields. 25 to 30 lakh, out of which some 70% complete their engineering. So roughly around 20 lakh people complete their engineering in every year, okay, in computer science. So already so much of competition is there. Okay, so if you have a break in between, like if you have never worked in engineering and now you want to come into IT field, then you will have to think about what is the thing. Okay, you may have to start with doing certain certifications to bring your knowledge to this point. Okay, another thing I will suggest is that if you want to join the IT field in such situation, then you go with data science. I'll tell you why data science, because in data science you there is a lot of requirement of data science for today, tomorrow and the future. There is going to be a lot of requirement for data science, and data science is one field which is more about analysis. Okay, analysis of data. Okay, I'm not saying that it is easier, but in that you don't have to learn programming. And the beauty about data science is you can come from any field and get into data science. Okay, and if you become a data scientist, let's say after doing some certification or whatever, you can use your knowledge of farming, because there will be so many companies who will be working on data science project related to farming, and you can use your experience in farming and data science and combine this to get into some IT industry. Okay, so when you are coming after a gap, or when you are coming after, you think about what you are currently doing and you think about what industry you can support, and you mix this and then get into this field. Okay, let's say you are in the real estate industry and you are working in real estate for 10 years, and you understand everything about real estate, you understand the legal things about real estate, you understand how the rental works, you understand how property sales work, you understand all the different legal terminologies of real estate. Okay, now you want to come into IT field. Okay, now you start learning something within IT field, you do some certification, you combine your knowledge of real estate and your knowledge of IT field to get into the IT field, and say and get into companies which are focusing purely in real estate. Okay, that way you can certainly get into IT field, because you have to understand that IT field is serving all the other industries. IT field is the backbone of other industries. So IT field will be working for agriculture industry, IT field will be working for pharmacy industry, IT field will be working for manufacturing, IT field will be working for equipment industry, automobiles, aviation, you name it, and IT field, IT industry will be in that particular industry. Okay, so if somebody from that industry comes here, also getting the knowledge of IT, doing some certification, and you can do different levels of certification. You can do a certification of just maybe quality assurance. You can become a quality assurance engineer where you are only focused on quality assurance, so that whatever applications people are building, you make sure that those follow the quality assurance guidelines for any software. Okay, in which you may not have to do programming, but you can use your experience of farming again, and you can get into quality assurance applications related to the applications which are developed for farming, because you will understand, oh, this is really good for me. Okay, other thing is you can get into sales. Okay, you can track some companies which are in the field of agriculture and farming, and you can do some kind of a basic course on business analysis, and then you can try to join the IT industry into the sales process, where you can convince whatever these companies are there in agriculture about the applications that you are building. Correct? So there are various ways to get into IT, and it is not just programming. Programming is just one small part of getting into IT industry. Okay, so IT industry is very vast, and you should explore the other things to get into IT industry. Musings by Software Engineers is a live show for you who want to make a career in software industry. All those people who are watching my program, who want to grow in their salary, who want to grow in the career faster, look at my program of how to become A players. Link will be in the description, and see you in the next live.